On this digital whiteboard, you can write with your hand or with a stylus. You can also change the color, and with just one click, you can erase everything you've written. This comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, just like your mobile phone. With a single click, you can switch to Windows mode. And with another click, you can switch back to Android. It includes an NFC card, and the action triggered by it is fully customizable to your personal preferences, whether it's to turn the device on or off, activate the child lock, restart the device, and many other useful functions. This module is designed for professional use. It features 6 high-speed USB ports, HDMI, and a dedicated connection. There is also Type-C for instant sharing. With dual LAN and high-speed Wi-Fi connectivity, your important office meetings will be significantly faster and much smoother than ever before. For example, you just have to simply tap your designated NFC card, and the child safety lock will be instantly activated. You can then enter your secure personal password, or simply tap the device again with the card to unlock it. The screen can automatically turn off after 30 seconds. If you wish, you can change the duration of this feature. This is 4K. It features 256GB of storage, 16GB of RAM, and it runs on the Android 15 operating system.